Hello angels, today I'm going to do the unboxing of this beauty, and this is Nadine West, and it's a clothing subscription box. And go online and then fill your profile, and you would be getting like all the items based on your profile. And then once your stylist send them out, you would be receiving this like a pink bag, and it would be coming with all the items and also the prepaid label. And you could try all the items in your home at your own leisure, and whatever items that you like, you could keep them. And there will be a shipping fee of around 9 I think 78 or something like that, $9.78, and that would be credited against the items that you are keeping. So it's technically a free shipping. And then you could return all the items that you don't like in the prepaid label that it would be coming with, and you could use the same bag to return. So that's a recyclable bag. That's the thing that I like the most about them. It's all about the recycling the things. And next thing is, most of their clothes are affordable, and it's around $10 to $30 range, which is what I'm actually looking for. So that's the thing that I liked the most about them. And you get to keep whatever items that you like, and then you would be getting close to $10 of credit that you could be using against the items that you like. So without further ado, let's get to today's video, and I will be showing all the items and also the try on. So let's dive in. I'll be leaving the coupon code in the description below, so do check that out. And I think you would be getting like some dollars off if you use my coupon, so I'm going to leave that in the description. So if you want to give their subscription box a tryout, so do try that on. And here is the first item that I got, and it says this, and it's a fitted design for comfort and support. And this is their 4-way stretch fabric, Soho. And this is this has got like this ultimate tummy control. This is their legging that I got, and so this is how it looks. It is the white and green, and here is how it looks to the side. Really nice. So this is the first item that I got. And okay, I think I really love their patterns. Like that one was like white and green, and this one is black and grayish kind of. So really like loving their patterns, like how it looks really cool. So this is how it looks, and here is on the sides of the leg, and this is how it looks if I wear. So this is how it's going to look. So this is the second legging they did send me. Okay, now this is their top, and this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the high neck kind of top with blue and black. So this is how it looks. And here are the sleeves, full sleeves, and this is how it looks up close. This is black and blue. Next up, we have another pair of legging, and this is how it looks. I really like this cool kind of patterns they have going on, pink and fuchsia pink kind of, and this is how it looks. And the good thing about this thing is, like, it did come with the side pockets on either sides, and this is how it looks. All right, let's see. Wow, I think I received like a lot of items. Oh wow, this is their scarf. Look how pretty this looks. So this is how it looks, and this is like double layered, so this is really big scarf. So this is half of it, and there is like another half. So I did not open the all the way through, but this is a really big scarf, and this also has got like that fringe kind of details, and the print is really good. So, and this feels like cotton kind of material. So loving it. Yeah, this is 100% cotton. All right, let's see what we have next. Okay, next up I have this legging, and this is a black legging, and this is how it looks to the side. I'm going to bring this a little closer. So this is how it looks, and this has got that see-through kind of details going on, and this also have got that side pockets. Love it. Okay, so nice. So this is a dress. So this is how it looks till my knees, and this is the dress that we got. Okay, so let's see what this is. Oh wow. Oh my god, I love this. So this is like the crop top. I'm actually looking for the crop tops, so I love it. And this came with this hood, and this is like full sleeves kind of crop top. Yay. I just hope this works for me. All right, let's see. Wow, that's a lot of clothing. And what is this? Okay, so this is like boyfriend kind of t-shirt, really big, and here are the full sleeves, and here is the neck. So here is the neck. So this is how it looks. And what else we got? Okay, so we got a couple of accessories. So one is this earrings. Here are the earrings that we got. It's just my viewfinder is up there and I'm keep on watching there. Don't be alarmed. So here is the neck piece that we got. Here is how it looks. Really pretty. Okay, now try on. This is the first legging that I got. I think I love this one. It's like it has got like this tummy control, and the fabric is really good. It's kind of stretchy, and then it's like that squat proof. Loving that part. And this is how it looks to the side. It has got like that details and then crisscross kind of details going on, and it has got like that see-through crisscross, and it even got the side pockets. How cool is that? I really love this one. Okay, now let's try the second one. Oh my god, I just love this one. How cool is that? Like, love this top. This is how it looks. So, and even this has got like that tummy control, and then the fabric is kind of good, and then I like the print it's going on, and also it did pair well with this black top that I received. Really loving it. I don't know, this just makes me so pretty and then so comfortable to wear. I don't know what's in this, but really loving it. I just love this one. So this is how it looks, and this has got like the side pockets. It's just that too low, but this is how I should bend to reach out to them, but don't mind at all, and loving this one. And this did come with this kind of hood. So this is the hoodie that it came with. How cool is that? I'm loving this. Alright, time to switch to my next dress. This is what we are looking next. So even this has got like that pockets, and this is more like a this kind of length, like not full length, and this is how it looks to the side. So this is the details that we got, and here is the top that I did pair with. That is the black and blue kind of top, and then I did pair with the necklace that they gave me in this shipment. So this is how it looks. It looks like so dressy and then cool. I love it. So this is how it looks from the back. And even this is like that squat proof, so I don't mind wearing this. And I'm loving the length and also the color and how it did go well with this top, and the length, everything. I love everything about this. So this is how it looks. Wow, fancy. I just want to try like how this one looks on this dress. So this is the scarf that we received. So here is the scarf. How cool is that? Wow, the pattern is amazing and the length, it's like such a big scarf. Love it. So really loving this one. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, so this is the next dress. I think this is the only dress that I received, in fact. So here is the sleeves, and this is like see-through sleeves, and then till here it's see-through, and this is not see-through anymore, and this is the dress that we got. And this is like one of those dresses where it would show even the tiniest bump on your body, and this is not one of those forgiving kind of dresses. So no, this is a no for me, and this is a no for me. Alright, I'm going to switch to my next dress real quick. Off to our last try on of the dress. So this is the last pair, and here is the legging, and I really love this legging. So it's like it looks like snake skin, like the look and feel, I just love it. So it looks like snake skin, and here is the details that we got. So on the back, so here is the details that I see, and loving this. So this is like, has got like that tummy control and pockets, everything that I will be looking in a legging. And this is like a squat proof again, and this top not so much. I'm going to, so this is how it looks. So this is the length of the top that I got, and here are the sleeves. It's like really long, kind of flowy kind of t-shirt. So I don't mind, like now that I'm looking the full view, I actually don't mind. Like when I tried this on, I didn't like it, to be frank, but now I'm looking the full view, I don't mind actually. It's kind of looking cool. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to try this on with this scarf. I just want to see how this looks. So this is how it looks with the scarf. Really cool. So well, that's pretty much it guys. So these are all the items that I received from their clothing subscription box, that is Nadine West, and I'm going to leave their like coupon code in the description below, so do check that out. And if you want to sign up for them, and most of their products are like really affordable. Most of them are like $15, $11 or $12, $13.99, $18.99, and leggings are around $26.19, and I think this black top is around $20, but most of them are like really affordable. So that's the thing that I like the most about them. And this is not a rental kind of a subscription box. This is like a try on, and then you get to keep whatever you like and then return the items that you don't like. Well, that's pretty much it guys for today. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, show some love by smashing that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos coming up like this. And then well, love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.